like the film because it's a musical film, so it has like different morals and like how to be risk takers.
In the movie night, Stuco is opening the Stuco booths and selling products to raise money for upcoming events like Water Fun Day.
It's a wonderful night. So thank you PSA for the great organization, for this fun atmosphere and for the whole event.
To say to PSA, thank you for all your support.
SIS PSA Movie Night is one of the most favorite event this year. In the event, families come together, they make play dates, have gathering, they have a lot of fun. They also share different culture and make new friends.